Hey guys, we're out here today. We're going to come up with some hot tips for how to manual. Alright, if we've never really practiced manuals before, we want to try and find a spot that's nice and flat, maybe a little bit of a decline so we don't have to work for our speed. And look, maybe we want to go for grass just in case it goes wrong. Alright, now the first thing we want to do before we even lift the front wheel up is make sure that we're covering our rear brake. Just in case it goes wrong, if we pull that rear brake, the front wheel is just going to fall back down again. Alright, second thing is body position over the bike. Again, before we start to pull up, we want to get over the back of the bike so that we've got our weight biased to the rear. So all we have to do is give it a little bit of a pull. Alright, now for the tricky part. We're going to have to try and find the balance point. So we've already got our weight over the back. We're going to go up in one motion, pull the front wheel up and move back even further. And depending on the bike, there's going to be a particular point that it's just going to like to sit in while we're pulling up on the bars. Alright, so this is a really fun technique to just muck around, play around with your mates, try and manual further than your best mate. But it's also very functional on the trail, whether we're trying to pick the front wheel up over a feature or just sort of blast down, have a little bit of fun.